You feed me one? Ah. Try again. Yeah. Try again. Here, get another one. Ah. Can I have one? Give me a Cheerio, please. Feed me a Cheerio. Yay! Here's another one.
Feed Daddy one more.
Oh, thank you.
Love Daddy.
Look, here's another one. Want me to feed you? Good job. Yay! Woo! How about another one?
Feed Daddy, feed.
Like a chipmunk stuffing all those acorns in your mouth. Is this one for me? Is this one for me?
Yay! Yay!
Hello.
Say hello. Wait.
Who's that on the screen?
Say hello. Where is your nose? Where is your nose? Bye.
Is this one for me? She's waving as she goes. Everly, bye. Everly, where are you going? Can I have this one?
This is Everly's milk, Dustin's coffee cup. She likes to drink out of it.
I'm gonna have to get a new one. She won't drink out of her other one. She won't drink out of anything else. Who's that? Here. Don't break it. Once you pop it, it's gone. I think so. Pretty comfy? Ready? Here it comes. Yay! Very good. Oi. Here, let's see it. Ready? Here's the papa. Ready? Oh, yay! Good job. You're okay. Woo! Whoa! Where'd it go? Woo! Here, tap it like this. Yeah. Woo! Good job. Let's see it. Ready? Let's go over here. Look. Ready? Woo! Oh! Oh, nice try. Good. Oh! Woo! Where'd it go? Look. Oh! Yay! Woo! Good job. Ready? Look. Good catch. Good job.
Daddy, run!
Hey! Alright, so Everly's been having a hard time with teething right now. We just put some frozen blueberries in here so she can chew on it. But it's on like every side right now.
The big one.
Yeah.
Today she didn't play a lot. She's just crying. And then sleep and then crying.
Yeah, it's like sleeping. She's not eating as much as she used to, and then she's crying.
So, what can you suggest good for baby's teething? We tried giving her pain reliever, medicine, baby medicine.
Trying to keep her occupied as much as possible.
Yeah.
Once she kind of sits still, she will start crying again. So we try to go back and forth on this thing, and then just playing with her, feeding her the frozen blueberries, have teething, those teething toys. She's been doing it all. Everly, hey, how you doing? It's good to see her not crying, man. When she's crying, it's tough. Yeah.
Especially if she's not eating. I don't like when she's not eating.
She ate good today earlier.
What did she eat?
The pancakes.
Oh, the pancake, yeah.
Yeah. But yesterday she didn't eat really much. The day before, yeah, she has like no appetite. But today she did eat some, and then she's just been crying a lot.
We'll try to entertain her because she's our entertainer. Now we will entertain her.
Yeah.
Hello. Wave to them.
She
Hello.
loves this. How many times can you go back and forth? Hello. Want to wave? Hi.
Thank you. Thank you. You eat yours. You eat it.
She's very generous with her food. She actually shove it in your mouth.
It's my birthday.
I get some too. Hey.
Good for teeth. Cold. Good for your gum.
There you go.
You.
All right, man.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Looks like I need to clean someone. More. Here, scoop. Let's scoop. There you go. And eat it. Eat.
Yeah, I'll see you eat it.
You.
Very good, man. Thank you. Very nice, but I'll let you have it.
No, not that. Here, your mouth. I'll teach you how to eat in spoon. Here, you get that.
High five. Up here.
Up there.
Up here. Get a spoonful in here.
One more. Oh, not your hand. Yeah,
There
good
you
job.
go.
Wow.
Yeah, for you.
Wow.
For you. Ready? Yeah. All right. Very good. Here, take the spoon.
This one. You won't laugh? Look at our faces.
You like to stick your hands in there, don't you?
Just this. Here. Oh gosh. Oi! You put in here? Okay. Here.
Here, let's do the airplane. Ready? Yeah! Woo!
Click it. Click it. Yummy.
Good job.